Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the FN layer so the F keys behave as expected. Press FN plus ESC once to toggle FN lock. You'll hear or see immediate response in most models. If nothing changes, reboot and enter BIOS/UEFI, then find the Action key or FN key option and set it to your preference. Once done, make sure to close background apps that might intercept key events so your first tests are clean and predictable. Now practice the how. Hold FN and press an F key to trigger volume, brightness, airplane mode, or media controls. That explains why Asus maps hardware to F1, F12. If you enabled FN lock earlier, a single press will perform the hardware action without FN. Make sure to try combinations like Control plus FN plus F5 if an app needs it. This reveals conflicts and shows whether the OS or an app overrides the key. Once comfortable, adjust timing and pressure for reliable input. Finish by installing Asus ATK package or the latest hotkey driver so function keys integrate with Windows. That's why some keys only work after driver install. If keys still misbehave, reboot and load BIOS defaults, then recheck FN lock. This step often clears lingering state. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to determine whether third-party software blocks keys. One key troubleshooting tip: try an external keyboard to confirm hardware versus software. This quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.